Welcome to Morpheus Trading Group. Today's technical presentation is a follow-up on HAO, that's the Guggenheim China Small-Cap ETF, ticker HAO. And as of the close of business on July the 1st, which is this candle right here, we had, in our previous presentation, discussed that HAO could very well run into resistance here, that it might overcut the 50-period moving average, and that we expected that it may have a pullback at this point. If you notice, HAO has come up into resistance, which is represented by this dashed blue line right here. And this resistance was created because we broke the lows of these three candles. On this day, we broke below these three candles and went on to set a new lower low. So this was formerly support. Every time we came down to test this level prior, we found support. HAO was able to hang on to support here, or get back up above it. You know, here it went below for a few days but came right back up. But finally it was unable to maintain that support and it sold off. So in our last presentation we were at this candle. This is what we're up to. Now of course, as of yesterday, we formed this candle, and that would have been at the close on 7/5. This candle was the close 7/1, and this close was the close on July the 5th, yesterday. We now have a reversal candle. Some might even call it a doji star that's been formed. And if you notice what we did, as we anticipated, what happened is we overcut this 50-period moving average. We came into this resistance level. And you form a candle like this candle, where you open right approximately here, you rally up and you test a support level like this, and then you come down, back down to test the 50 and end up closing in the bottom third of the trading range. We know that there was a lot of discussion going on between bears and bulls. If nothing else, HAO is hesitating before it makes its next move. There's some discussion going on whether or not HAO will go lower from here and have a pullback, or maybe we'll just consolidate, move sideways here, and then make another move higher. Of course, if we make the move higher, then we know resistance, the next resistance is going to be the 200-period moving average, which is the next major resistance. Now, what we would anticipate from here, because we had the spike in volume on yesterday, but closed near in the lower to the trading range. What we would anticipate is that HAO probably will sell off, or possibly even gap down tomorrow. And in doing so, we would also expect that over the next several days we'll come back into the 20-period moving average. So we may look to take a short position in HAO in the event it does break below the low of yesterday. And of course that would be the 5th of July. If you enjoyed today's technical presentation, please join us at www.morpheustrading.com, where you can sign up for your free membership to receive technical analysis like this every day. Thank you for joining us today.